You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi Certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi Certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.